Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data and getting into a controlled environment. Backup essentials, then disconnect USB devices to rule out hardware. Once done, reboot into safe mode or advanced startup. This prevents third-party drivers from loading and reveals if core Windows is unstable. Make sure to note recent driver updates or Windows Update ID because these are common causes. This immediate context saves time and points the next fixes toward drivers, updates, or system settings instead of chasing random causes. You now focus on the middle, detailed steps. First, open Device Manager and roll back or disable any drivers updated just before restart started. Drivers often cause kernel crashes. Next, uninstall suspect Windows updates from Update History if crashes coincide with updates. Then run system checks. SFC scans system files, and DISM repairs the component store. Together, they fix corrupted Windows files that trigger reboot loops. If you see errors, note codes. Those help pinpoint failing drivers or files for targeted repair. You finish by restoring stable behavior and providing a fallback. Reset Windows Update components or run system restore to a known good point. This often undoes bad updates without reinstalling. If restarts persist, prepare a Windows Install USB and perform an in-place repair or clean install, which replaces corrupted system files while keeping data. Make sure to check Event Viewer for bug check codes and analyze minidump files. That one troubleshooting tip will tell you whether a specific driver or hardware component is causing the restart loop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.